For the past year, I've watched our garage slowly get worse, day by day, month by month. Every time the garage door opens or I leave the house, I get that feeling of panic, the oh my god, what a mess, or the constant reminder of all those unfinished projects. That's when I decided that it was time to declutter and organize the space. When I started this project last September, I had no idea it will take over 4 months. But hey, any progress is good progress. Plus, life just happens. Okay, so I think in order for me to be able to tackle this, I'm going to write down all of the major things that I see. I feel like if I think about it that way, I'll be able to tackle it better, because right now, like, I'm all over the place. So after I sort through everything, I could probably visualize what I want to give away, what I want to throw away, what I would like to sell, because right now everything is just too much. So I'm gonna do that first now, and maybe it won't feel as overwhelming. So here's the progress so far, and I gather all of the planters together, all of the spray paint, a bunch of random cans of paint. I also have the detergent, random wood glue and caulk and tools. I just put everything here. The planters all together and the power tools. Like, now that I clear a lot of things out of the way, including a lot of the garbage and debris, now I'm able to see more of what I have here and everything that I want to post on Marketplace. I took out my measuring tape. I'm making notes and I'm making measurements. I already started a list here of the things that I want to sell on Marketplace, including all of these lights. They're gonna go for really cheap because these lights, you know, to today's standards, they're a bit outdated. So I'll figure out once I post and research how much. It will probably be less than $50, except for this one. I'm in the process of cleaning this one. This one is a really big entryway chandelier. And once you clean it out, you see this beautiful bronze color. And I think this is beautiful. It's just, you know, outdated for my taste, but it may work for someone else's house. I also found this ottoman that I purchased secondhand with the purpose of reupholstering it, and I never got to it, so it has to leave as well. The bike I'm gonna post, that dresser I'm going to post, this mirror I'm going to post, and yeah, there's a lot of things in here. So something else that I forgot to mention is the reasoning behind all of these tables here. So last year I was very excited to do the Pottery Barn finish on these two tables that I got for $30 each. This is basically how that table started, and this is how it looks now. And I started working on that last year, and so much happened that I kind of stopped the project. My motivation got really low and I got distracted with other things. So now I'm stuck with like 3 tables here. The reason why I'm mentioning it is because I want to sell it on Marketplace with this round of decluttering. And I think it looks pretty good. And you have to stay tuned because I would love to tell you everything that I went through refinishing this table. And again, it looked like this, and now it's this. So I think it's a pretty cool project, and I hope I can at least get what I pay for, including the materials. So that's how I'm gonna calculate it. So stay tuned, let's see. I hope we can sell it. It's such a cool table. one thing at a time. It's okay. We'll finish whatever we can today and well, this week. I hope a lot of things get sold by the weekend, or I'm gonna try to get rid of as many things as possible. So we made our first $80. Hey guys, so it's been a few months actually it's been a month since I posted a few things on Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, some things have been sold, like our table. All of the lighting, I haven't gotten any hits on it. I guess people don't want all lighting. I may have to donate them. And today they picked up a few items already for free. I'm giving away like the shelving for my laundry, the baseboards, this mirror. And yeah, so I think, in every decluttering and organizing project, it has to come a point where you give away and donate things. And we are at that stage right now. So yeah, so this is actually looking a lot better. Ignore our bottles of water here, but once we get some other things out of the way, I think I'm gonna feel pretty good about this space. On this beautiful sunny day in November, my husband and I decided to continue to tackle the garage, and by clearing everything out and putting everything outside so we can finally clear out most of the garbage. And I actually contacted our garbage company to let them know that I was going to put some large items in there. If you don't know, in some places you have to pay for them to pick up certain items, and it's totally worth it. Sometimes it's free, sometimes it's $10. It depends. You will have to call them. At this point, being November, I know that I wanted to finish this project before it gets colder outside and before the holidays, but that didn't necessarily happen. But oh my God, this garage looks so much better than what it did in September. Many months have gone by since we started this project. The holidays came and went, and now in the middle of the cold month of January, and with 2025 upon us, our garage still needs some serious organizing. We hire a handyman to help us better set up our space. Because organizing is not possible without a good organization system, we chose Fleximount. Fleximount is a US-based company that makes organizing and storing things in your garage or home a whole lot easier. They sent me their garage shelving unit, which is one of their most popular items, and garage lift to help with my garage organization project. And I've been really impressed. All their products come with clear instructions, especially the garage lift, which is supposed to be mounted to the ceiling. Even came with a template so you can clearly see where you need to drill the holes into the ceiling for easy installation. Our handyman did a great job. And the garage lift is the perfect storage solution for all of my seasonal home decor, especially our Christmas tree and Christmas decorations. Check them out on Amazon, and I'll link all of these products in my description below. Thank you so much to Fleximount for my new shelving units. Now my garage is so much more organized, and stay till the end so you can see all of the before and afters. Now let me take you back to how our garage looked back in September. I can't believe how much we decluttered, we donated, we sold, and after many months, we finally have a garage that we can open and not feel anxious about. So here's the before and the after. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will appreciate it if you give it a like, comment below what you think of the video, and subscribe for more content like this. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. And until next time, happy winter.